A recent news article recounts the story of a mother, Erika Hamilton, who successfully won a small claims settlement of $3,500 against American Airlines. The legal action was taken against the airline for alleged breach of contract and negligent infliction of emotional distress, stemming from an incident on one of their flights. Erika Hamilton, a lawyer from Oregon, found herself on an American Airlines flight in February, traveling with her 18-month-old twin daughters from Portland to Tallahassee, Florida, with a layover in Dallas. The heart of the dispute, as detailed in her complaint filed with the Circuit Court of the State of Oregon for the County of Multnomah, revolved around the seating arrangement for her two infants. Hamilton had purchased tickets in line with American Airlines policy at the time. This policy allowed infants under the age of 2 to either travel in a safety seat approved by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, or sit upright in their seat without assistance, securely fastened during specific flight phases. One daughter sat in her lap, and the other occupied a separate seat. The problems arose during a layover flight. A flight attendant approached Hamilton and questioned the safety of her seating configuration for her children. The flight attendant claimed that it was against FAA and airline policy for one of the daughters to fly without a car seat, despite Hamilton's attempts to clarify the rules. Faced with this situation, another passenger offered to hold one of the twins, and Hamilton accepted the offer, albeit reluctantly. She believed that this arrangement was not as safe as her child being seated in her own seat with the safety belt fastened. Notably, the flight attendant eventually issued an apology to Hamilton mid-flight. Hamilton proceeded to file a report with the airline, seeking a refund for the inconvenience caused. However, the airline responded by offering her only a $75 voucher. Unsatisfied with this resolution, Hamilton turned to the small claims court, where she filed a lawsuit seeking $3,500 in damages. In explaining her reasons for pursuing the case, Hamilton expressed her determination to hold large corporations accountable for what she perceived as a breach of contract. She pointed out that American Airlines had sold her a ticket and then refused to allow her to use that ticket due to a lack of understanding of the terms and conditions of their own contract. She underscored the importance of standing up to big companies that she believed were taking advantage of customers. During the trial, 2 other passengers came forward to testify in support of Hamilton, claiming that the flight attendant's allegations were categorically false. American Airlines, in response, filed a motion for summary judgment, arguing that Hamilton could not meet the substantive elements of her claims and that crew members retained the right to deny passengers the right to fly, for any reason, without violating any contractual obligations. Ultimately, the outcome of the lawsuit favored Erika Hamilton, highlighting the challenges passengers face when navigating airline policies and addressing customer service disputes. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of passengers' rights and the recourse available to individuals who believe they have been mistreated by airlines.